what's up? Yo. Oh, me too, bro. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Mason VP 1. You know what I'm saying? No, not Mason VP 1. That's my old account. That's my alt. Mason VP 4, bro. Look up here. Look up there. You see that? Yes, sir. Oh yeah, hold up. Let me show y'all my friend. Me and my friend are about to join. Join my bros.
Mason put me on it.
No. Your account's full. What? Not your account. Can you join me? Bet. Meow.
Hey, high five.
Transgender. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not that, bro. Like, who's trans? That's me.
I'm good. How are you?
Fiesta Maze is available now. Go to the Fiesta Maze. The way I launched into a cannon. Wait, I did. Hold up. Let's do the volume down all the way, bro.
Mason, did you find your garbage?
No.
I want you to find it because I vacuumed this out yesterday.
Alright, I will.
Put your feet down and set up straight.
Here, Nana.